Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to remove pattern lock in our Samsung phone. As you want to remove guys and as you want to delete this pattern lock, so guys you can delete and as you can remove this pattern lock in your Samsung phone. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how to remove pattern lock in our Samsung phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video. First of all guys open your phone setting to remove this pattern lock. Then guys scroll it. Guys click on your screen lock setting, guys click on your screen lock type, tap here and guys draw your pattern and guys click on with this swipe option. Then guys come back. Then guys you can see guys we don't have any pattern lock in our Samsung phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove pattern in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.